Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to change your avatar on Google Chrome in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Alright, first open up Google Chrome. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of your browser and you should see a small profile icon. It might be a generic icon or your current avatar. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to log in with a Google account. Once you're signed in, click on the edit button next to your avatar. This will open a window where you can choose a new avatar. You can either pick one default icon or upload your own custom image. To upload your own, just click upload a picture, select the image that you want from your computer and hit open. Once you've chosen your avatar, hit done and that's it. Your new avatar is updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your avatar on Google Chrome. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. See you next time.